How to fix the new Outlook application not opening in Windows. So here I am in my desktop, and then if I want to open Outlook, I can just go to search, type in Outlook, and then I can click on it, and then it will open immediately. But sometimes you may encounter the bug that even when you click on the Outlook application, it is not opening. So if you are encountering that bug, what we need to do is that we just need to do some fixes for it. So the fix that we can do is that we can go to search, and then from here we can open installed applications. From here it will open up your settings, and then you can just go ahead and type in Outlook right here in the search bar. Then you will see the Outlook application right here, and then click the three dots and then click on advanced options. From here you can scroll down, then you will see an option right here to repair the Outlook application. So if your Outlook application is not working, you can try to repair it first. So let me close this, click repair, and then you can go ahead and see if your Outlook application is now fixed. If it's still not fixed, then you can try to reset Outlook. So as you can see right here, if the app still isn't working right, reset it. Keep in mind that the application's data will be deleted, but don't worry. What that basically means is that you will be logged out of your Outlook account, and then it will just reset the Outlook application to its default state where there are no accounts that are logged in. So when you click on reset, this window will open pertaining to saying right here, this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So just go ahead and click reset. Then after that, you can go ahead and try Outlook if it's now working. If it's still not working, we can also repair Outlook in another way. So we can go to search again and then type in the control panel, click that, then go right here to programs and features. From here, you will see all of the applications that is logged in, or that is installed in your device. Just go to the search bar and then type in Microsoft. From here, there are two types of applications. So this will depend on the Outlook application that you're using. So for example, if you're using a personal account, you can use this one, the Microsoft 365 ENUS. Or if you're using a business account, you can use this one, Microsoft 365 Apps for Business. So just click what you want to use and then click change. From there, click yes. Then there will be this window. So from here, you have two options. You have quick repair and then you have online repair. So quick repair will fix most issues quickly without using an internet connection. So go ahead and try this out first. So choose this and then click repair. If it's still not working, then you can use the online repair option. So this will fix all issues but will take a little longer and will require an internet connection. So you can only use this option if you're still having problems with quick repair. So I prefer using the quick repair first. So if it's still not working, then you can use online repair. And then just click the repair button right here. Keep in mind that this will take a little while, so you just need to wait for it to finish. Then after that, you can go ahead and try opening the Outlook application again, and it should now be working. So in my case, it's working perfectly, but those are the things that I do whenever I encounter that same error or same bug again when using the new Outlook application. So that is it. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.